We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner on a Brother MFC-7440n. So, this specific printer takes a TN330 or a TN360. The TN330 is going to be your lower yield, basically has less ink. Your TN360 is going to be your high yield with more ink in it. So, open your front hatch. And then there's a little lever right here. Go ahead and grab that and just pull it out as gently as you can. Then you'll need to press this green button here. This is going to pop your toner out. So what comes out is going to be the toner. What the toner goes in, that's going to be your drum. So set your old toner to the side, unbox your new one, and put it in. Just follow the guides, and once you hear it click, then you know it's stabilized in the drum. Go ahead and stick that into the printer. Shut your front cover. Then you should be good to go. If you're seeing issues with your printer, it may be time to bring it in for a service. Or if you're in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.